seems just like yesterday when we were standing here. The Yankees hat upon my head and your voice in my ear. You talked about the future and all the things we do. I never thought your loving words would frighten me from you. I remember when I sold my car to board that train. You said you were sure that I would not come back again. Now you see with your own eyes and start to realize I'm not the man I thought I was, so try to sympathize. The way you think about your life is gonna change tonight. Don't even try on that frown, 'cause your man is back in town. I'm sure you've been thinking about just where the hell I've been. Painted your own pictures of the trouble I got in. There were times I will admit my heart's are better days, but I'm the type that has to lose to find out how it made. I know you're stuck in too much about things we cannot change. I know you think it's crazy, but I'm here to set things straight. I'm standing here to say that I'll give love a try. It's my complicated way to say I simplify. The way you think about your life is gonna change tonight. Don't even try on that frown, 'cause your man is back in town. Baby, it's cool to take your time. I was a fool out of my mind, so let's jump off of this merry-go-round, 'cause your man is back in town. I was trying to wait, now I'm back to stay. I was wrong to think there was a better way. Now I see with my own eyes, about time I realize. I hope in time you will forgive, I'll never leave your side. The way you think about your life is gonna change tonight. Don't even try on that frown, 'cause your man is back in town. Baby, it's cool to take your time. I was a fool out of my mind, so let's jump off of this merry-go-round, 'cause your man is back in town. So let's jump off of this merry-go-round.